3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, wow.
Hey everyone, it's Levi from the FutureMaker Lab, and machines are taking over the world. Kind of. So the WEF actually anticipates that by 2025, 85 million jobs are going to be displaced by technology. That's a lot. They claim this is because machines are faster than people, they're more efficient, and they're usually cheaper when doing the exact same job over a long period of time. That sounds kind of crazy, so we tested it. We have a tank. Not this tank. We have a Sphero RVR robot with treads on it that we can actually block code to drive around. So block coding is essentially the simplest form of coding. Basically, you're gonna have one instruction per block that you can stack on top of each other. So you'll put the first command first, the second one underneath it, and so on. So what we've done is we've set up an obstacle course back at NCAT that the robot's gonna go through, and then we're gonna compete against the robot later to see if we can do better than the machine. You have to make 4 90-degree turns, and you can't hit a single obstacle or you lose. Let's see how this goes.
3, 2, 1, go!
There we go. He's going around the corner, drifting into the wave. Oh man, he's gonna do it. Let's go.
Than I thought.
With Robo George for the wave.
12.87.
So the robot actually did pretty good on its own. It was kind of slow and methodical, but it made it through without hitting anything. Didn't kill any of our 3D printed men. That's exactly what we want. Next, we're gonna open up the joystick on my phone, and we're gonna do our best to try to beat the machine. This is how it went.
2, 1, go! Whoa. And we killed somebody. We killed 2 people. We killed Robo George.
Wow.
Okay. So we see the difference between humans and robots. That's good.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's a lot harder than I thought. Okay.
Robo George lived for once.
7 seconds, but I killed several workers. If you hit a single person, you lose because we don't want to kill our workers. And if you kill Robo George, I'm ashamed of you and you also lose. Have fun. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Okay. Still playing it safe.
Okay.
All right. Nice.
Oh, nope, nope.
Haven't killed anybody yet.
Stop moving.
Remember, it's cardinal directions. Nice.
No!
You got cocky.
Well, we lost.
I got too confident
But
at the end.
yeah, you got like ego challenged it, and you're like, I'll go fast at the end.
Yeah.
Do you guys think that Greg would be mad if he knew we were playing with robots at work?
I hope not.
3, 2, 1, go. Not quite.
Whoa. Wow, this is pretty touchy.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Oh, that was close.
And your time was 1 minute and 40 seconds.
What was the time to beat?
12 seconds.
12 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go. So we lost.
Yeah, they were definitely right. Machines are a lot better at people than a lot of things, especially when it comes to things that involve human error. So it does look like machines are gonna be replacing us, but that's not bad news. So with that same study that I mentioned earlier with the 85 million jobs being lost to technology, 97 million jobs are gonna open up. And that's because they need people to work on the machines and to build the machines. So they need people that understand how they work and they can code. That could be you. Learning to code today could give you an amazing job down the road, and you're learning about it at a perfect time because they really need people in these fields. If you want to learn more about coding or robotics in general, you can check out most technical colleges. I'm going to leave a description to WSU Tech here in our area here. They're not the only ones that offer this program, but they do it particularly well, and they're very, very awesome people.
Oh, yes, this is gonna be the best.
That's going to be it for our video today. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing. You don't have to, but it would really help us out and it would make us feel really good. Also, if you want to learn more about the FutureMaker Mobile Learning Lab, which is the program we take out to schools, community events, and live streams, you can find us at www.futuremakerlab.com. Until next time, see you later.